in trying to shore up the system, see basically here, as I sit here, I don't pay power tariff. There is no hike for me for the past, there is a little bit hike in the last 2 years. In the last 10 years there was no hike. But you won't know, I pay a 1500 rupee power bill every month. And at the same time, the hidden cost most people don't understand is I pay the generator bill of 1500 rupees. You are talking about, nobody talks about the generator bill you are paying as maintenance every year. The cost of not giving quality power is much more people are paying. And whatever surcharge you are paying now is the cost of not hiking the price. Today, 29 to 30,000 crores of rupees of debt the government owes the power transmission companies 29 to 30,000 crores because it didn't hike tariff. Somebody has to pay it at some time. It is only YSR and the people who are talking about the great things have postponed the trouble. They have just postponed the trouble. So whatever you are not talking, whatever surcharge you are paying is what you are paying for the power tariff hike you didn't get a few years back. The same thing, whatever generator charges you are paying right now is whatever every household maintenance, some people are suffering because they can't afford a generator or an inverter. People like us and people in the middle class these days, now generator, actually Congress and YSR have single-handedly made this thing called diesel generator from a luxury into a necessity. So nobody thinks about I am paying this maintenance because somebody else didn't run my power plants well, didn't run my power system well, I am paying for it. Because you look at it, I can look at it that way. If a farmer is paying for his motor repair just because he is getting it free and nobody is caring about him, and he is ending up paying more, and the same CPM people can't even understand this. But a person from the power sector like me can understand this. A CPM man can never understand this, and he can't even understand about if for a 5 horsepower, if he is able to fill in 4 acres, just because he is getting 5 hours power supply, he is putting another bore, which is costing a lakh of rupees. If you transport it, actually the farmers have lost more money because of free power than what Chandrababu Naidu was charging. Bring Babu back, what we try to do is we try to present each and every issue actually. So we have given 99 reasons why we should bring Babu back.